Mary.
Huh?
Got a lot of them. Buzzards. Look at that tree. Hey, little sweet bird.
Look, brought me a steak. Look, Scotland brought me a steak.
He bring you a steak?
Yeah, look at him. I like that one. That one's pretty.
You bring me a steak?
Hey, did you bring me a steak? That one's goofy.
Oh, shit.
That one's goofy as shit.
He's like, get me on that camera now.
He's trying to peck your,
Look at the camera.
Why is it so out of focus? Oh, he's cute. Where's my phone? Hey.
Someone to look at the camera. Hey, there's a little black one down here. He's all curious. Little finch.
Not as curious as that one and this one.
This one's smart.
Oh, shit.
He pulled back up.
No,
hey.
that's a different one.
He's like, yo, my name's Orangutan, and I'm a bird.
Whoa.
He's like, what's up, please?
These little things are cute.
What's that? I'm going on. Don't.
These little birds are cute.
He brought you a feathered steak. Did you bring me a feathered steak?